Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game passes on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser. Now you have to go to roblox.com. Now tap on create tab over here. Now you have to tap on menu button over here and tap on create. Now you have to tap on experience. Now tap on menu button again and scroll down, and under the monetization you will see passes option. Now tap on create a pass button, and here you can create your own game pass. Enter the name here and description and tap on create pass button. Now tap on the new game pass that you have created. Tap on menu, tap on sales, just enable the item for sale and enter the cost here and tap on save. Any game pass will be created. That's how you can create or make game pass on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.